Welcome back. In this video, we're making hash browns. Place a kitchen towel over a bowl, add grated potatoes into the center, wrap it up, and then squeeze out any of the remaining liquid. Into a small pot, pour in oil, about halfway up. In go your potatoes, cook for 6 to 8 minutes, or until the potatoes are soft, tender, and translucent. Pour through a strainer, into the potatoes, cornstarch, mix until combined. Into an oval cookie cutter goes your mixture. You should get about 3 to 4. Place into the freezer for 3 hours or until firm. Back into oil they go, this time at 350 degrees, for 2 to 3 minutes or until nicely golden brown and crispy. Season with salt while they're still hot, some ketchup on the side for dipping, and there we have it, hash browns. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.